dacht een R8. No filming, no filming.
No, oh, no, no, no.
This of course is no R8 but a Honda NSX, but you guys noticed that already. Reckon? Yeah? Yeah, you did. Oh well, my name is Marc and welcome back to the channel. Last week I was at the Concours D'elegance at Palace Soestdijk here in the Netherlands. And of course I couldn't go there without taking some videos to share with you guys. I decided to cut this video into a few chapters so you can skip the chapters you don't like. Smart, isn't it? Well, we're going to start with chapter 1, the classics. As you can see, a pretty sick collection of cars. Of course, I focused on the Ferraris, but there were a lot of good stuff like Bugattis, vintage Formula 2 racers, an absolute candy shop for car lovers like us. Next is chapter 2. And how will we call this one? Well, let's just say impression.
Ik dacht een R8. No filming, no filming.
Oh, oh, no, no, no.
Sunshine, she's gone.
Sorry for cutting her off, but I don't want a copyright claim, guys. Nevertheless, as you can see, lots of yummy stuff, and boy do I like the Lotus Evija. Yes, it's an electric thing, I know, but it looks stunning. Well, for the next chapter in this video, we will take a closer look at the Ferrari Kroymans stand. They brought an awesome collection of cars to the concours, with cars like the Enzo, the F40, the SP1, and boy do I like the SP1. I like it. Hey guys, I'm just wondering, what car is your favorite here? Let me know in the comments below. I can choose, by the way, I like them all. SP1, F40, F40. Well, time for the final chapter, the Ferrari parking lot. I was there on a Saturday though. This is the Saturday parking lot. I've seen pictures of pretty awesome cars on other days, but hey, this is it. Well, that's about it, guys. Again, some pretty sick Ferraris, and I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have a special request for a video. Next week, we will take a closer look at the pre-war racing on the concours. But for now, I want to thank you for watching and a goodbye. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word. Ciao.